Okay, today we're going to do lesson 10.7, which is using place value to add. The first page is a solve and share. I'm going to read it to you 2 times. Al has 25 rocks. His friend gives him 16 more rocks. How many rocks does Al have now? Can you make a 10? Show how you know. Use blocks to help you. Now I'm going to read it again and underline the important facts. Al has 25 rocks. His friend gives him 16 more. If he gets 16 more, I know I have to add. How many rocks does Al have now? I want to know how many Al has after his friend gave him 16 more rocks. So I know I have to find the total. I want to know, can I make a 10? We practiced using how to make a 10 yesterday during adding. So we're going to show us how we know using the video that we watched. So to start, I'm going to create a T-chart. And I'm going to create 2 so you can see how I use pictures and numbers. So over here, I'm going to write 10s and 1s. So first, I'm going to show you how I use numbers and then pictures. So for my 10s, I know Al has 25. So I know the 2 is in the 10s place and the 5 is in the 1s place. His friend gives him 16 more. Now, to draw that, I'm just going to use the stick figures that I've always been using. 2 10s, 5 1s, 1 10, 6 1s to represent 16. Now, the next step is, can you make a 10? Can I add 6 and 5 together to at least make 10? Well, I know 6 plus 5 equals 11. So I know that I can at least make 10. And using my 10s facts that I know that 6 plus 4 can give me 10. Or if I didn't know my fact, I can come over here and look at my picture and count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm just going to do what I did yesterday and circle that group. Now, after I circle it, I know that becomes a 10. So I'm just going to cross it out and draw a 10 right over here. So with the numbers, this is what you would do if you wanted to use your numbers. You would cross this out. If you know you used 4, you only have 1 left over, and you don't have that 6 anymore. So I know that I brought the 1 over here. So now I can add over here. I have 4, and if I check here, I have 2, 3, 4. So now I know that 25 plus 16 can be 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 plus the little 1 left right here. So 41. And I'm just going to label that to show you how I got that so you can see that. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. Over here we have 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. And then we bring that 1 down here and we get 41. So, did I make 10? Yes. And what is 25 plus 16? It is 41. Next page. So we're going to start, as always, with do you understand, show me. Do you need to make a 10 to add 23 plus 15? How do you know? Well, first I want us to practice the strategy, so we're going to draw our quick chart, just like a little T. And for abbreviation, you can just put T for 10s and an O for 1s. And we're going to go ahead and draw. So 23 plus 15. So I'm going to draw my 23 first, and then I'm going to draw my 15. and we should be experts at drawing. I know we've been doing this for a while. So, I want to see if I can group my ones together to make 10. Well, I know I have 5. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8. I cannot make 10 because I need at least 10 or more to group by 10s. So, do I need to make 10 to add 23 plus 15? No. How do I know? Well, there are not enough ones in the ones place for me to make a 10. So I'm just going to add like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 20, 30. So I'm going to put 3 right there. So I know that 23 plus 15 equals 38. Now, you'll have space to write, but I'm going to erase mine real quick. You don't need to erase yours. And we're just going to write, do you need to make a 10 to add 23? No. There are not enough ones to group. Okay, we're going to go over to number 1. We're going to draw blocks to add, and then we're going to find out, do we need to make 10? So we're going to draw, we're going to see if we have to make 10, and then we're going to circle yes or no. So over here, they want us to draw the problem 35 plus 15. How can I draw 35? Well, I'm going to look at my 10s. There's a 3. I need to draw 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to come down here and I'll change my color so you can see what I'm doing to draw 15. 1, 10. So I know I need 1 tower and 5 more ones. Now, I need to know, can I make 10? So I'm going to come over here and look at my ones. Let's count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do I have at least 10 or more? Yes, I have 10 ones. So can I make 10? Yes. So if I make 10, I'm going to circle these, cross them out, and draw that one over here in the tens place. Now I'm going to count and find out what 35 plus 15 is. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And I have 0 ones over here. So 50 is what 35 plus 15 equals. See, I told you it was easy. Next page. So you're going to go ahead and do number 3 on your own. And I will do number 2 with you. So we are going to draw, make 10, and circle. Can all problems make 10? No, but that's what we're here to find out. So I need to draw 27. Once again, I'm going to look at my tens place, draw 2 and 7. For 25, I'm going to draw another 2 and draw 5 more ones. Now, I want to see if I can make 10. Let's see. I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is it 10 or more? Yes. So I can make 10. Let's see how many I can group together to make 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3 gives me 10. So I'm going to group those together. Cross it out because I won't be using it anymore. And I'm going to bring it over and draw it right over here. So now I only have 2 ones left. Did I make 10? Yes. Now I want to know what 27 plus 25 equals. So let's count. We're going to start counting with our 10s first. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and over here we have 51, 52. So 27 plus 25 is equal to 52. Okay, we're going to come down here to number 4 and 5. We're going to do 2 together, and you'll do 2 by yourself. So we're going to do numbers 4 and 5 together. You will do number 6 and number 7 on your own. Actually, you're going to do number 7 and number 5 on your own. We will do 4 and 6 together. So, we need to make 10. Circle yes or no. We're going to add first. So I want to show 37. So I'm going to show 37, and I can always come over here and make my T-chart. So 37, here's my 10s, here's my 1s. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I want to add 33. I'm doing the wrong one. Sorry guys, I'm doing the wrong one. Oh no, I was doing the right one. So we're going to do 37 plus 33. I'm going to draw 33 at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Now, I want to see if I can make 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can I group them to make 10? Yes, because I have 10 or more. So I'm going to circle, cross it out. I have 0 ones left now on this side, and I'm going to add that 10 over here. Now I'm going to count up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Did I make 10? Yes. 37 plus 33, as we got, equals 70. Now we're going to do number 6 together. And I'm just going to erase this so you can clearly see what I'm doing. Add that 70 back. Okay. So, number 6, 22. We want to show 22. So 20, 21, 22. Then I want to add 26. So I need to add 26, 2 in the 10s, 6 more 1s. Can I make 10? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, I cannot make 10 because I do not have 10 or more 1s to regroup. So I have to add my problem as is. So I have 22 plus 26, and I'm going to add it together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And over here I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. So 22 plus 26 equals 48. And if you notice, I counted by tens, but I wrote 4 because 4 in the tens place shows 40. You will go ahead and do 5 and 7 on your own. Next page. Okay. So we're going to do number 8 together. I'm going to use red. Sarah mows 15 lawns. Bill mows 12 lawns. How many did they mow in all? We want to write an addition equation to show the problem. So we're going to solve and draw. I'm going to read it one more time and underline the key details. Sarah mows 15 lawns. Bill mows 12 lawns. How many lawns did they mow in all? So we know they want to add it all together, so we are going to add and we want to find the total. So let's write our equation first. Sarah mows 15 lawns and Bill mows 12. And we want to know in all. So 15 plus 12 equals, and that's what we are going to find out. So over here, I'm going to draw my T-chart. And I'm going to label it T and O for tens and ones. And now I need to draw. So I need to draw 15 first. And I'm just going to draw a little line here and extend this so you can see. So 15, I'm going to draw 1 in the tens place, 5 ones. And I'll show you 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's a quick way you can self-check. Then I need to draw 12. So I'm going to draw 12, 10, 11, 12. I want to see, can I make 10? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do I have 10 or more? No. So can I make 10? The answer is no, because you need 10 or more. So I just have to solve like this. So I'm just going to count up all my ones first. I know I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20, which I will show by writing 2 in the tens place. 1, 2. So 15 plus 12 equals 27 lawns. And I'm just going to erase this. I'll give you guys a few seconds. I'm just going to write my answer to the side over here. You guys have more space. Okay. We're going to go ahead and move on. You're going to do number 9 on your own, the same exact way. Okay. We're going to go over to number 10. Lee picks some flowers. He picks 20 more flowers. Now he has 38 flowers. How many flowers did he pick at first? Let's set up our equation first. Let's read it one more time. Lee picks some flowers. We don't know how many he picks. He picks 20 more, so we know how many more he got. Now he has 38. We know his total. I'm going to circle that total, 38. We want to know how many he picked at first. Show your work. So I'm going to write my equation first. So I know Lee picks some flowers. So I'm going to leave that line empty. But he picks 20 more. And I know altogether he had 38 flowers. Now, I can draw a picture of 38 flowers. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Now, using subtraction, as we learned earlier, that you can subtract the total from one of the numbers to get the missing part. So, using this picture, we want to subtract 20. So in red, I'm going to show you the steps we're taking. We're going to do 38 minus 20. And I'm going to show you how we do that in this picture using my red pen. So, I want to take away 20. 20 is easy to take away from the tens. I'm just going to cross out 1, 2. Now I want to count whatever I have left over. So I'm just going to scribble these out so it's easier for you to see which ones I got rid of. And I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 left. So we want to check if our number is correct. Did he really get 18 flowers at first? So let's draw our picture and find out to check our work. 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, plus 20, 1, 2. Let's count it all together. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. We checked our work and we solved correctly. So we know that Lee picked 18 flowers at first. Now, you're going to go ahead and do the assessment by yourself. I will read it to you. For which addition equations can you make a 10 to add? So which equations do I need to make 10 to add? Show your work on the side or show your work on a separate piece of paper. You will go ahead and complete the next 2 homework pages all by yourself. You will do all the problems for homework, and those are the pages you will screenshot and upload to Teams. If you have any questions, let me know.